only failure. It's white, still, but still shite. To you, Cheltenham from Gloucester, and they just left. So yeah, my dad's at HST here. Hi guys, I forgot to say hi.
Hi everyone.
So yeah, we're meeting some people.
So this is going to Great Malvern, but I don't know what time it is. What time is it?
I don't know. Time to get a watch.
It's really quiet now.
Everyone's just I thought there could be more of us today. Where is everyone? Has everyone ditched? That's a good point, actually. I'd be around another one point. Where's Oliver? Where's Oliver go? Yeah, Oliver Blake. Right. No, Oliver Blake.
Kieran's dropped his drugs.
Cardiff Central from Nottingham. That's actually a double, I think. It is a double.
I've never seen a double tower star before.
Hello guys.
That was quite cool.
It is. There's another train. It's going to... That was so loud! I've never been that close to a train before, but that was cool.
That was really scary.
I've just seen my life flash before my eyes. And Kieran's cookie.
Yeah, my cookie.
Imagine if it just like flew away. It was like, Rim.
Oh yeah, that train was going to Nottingham, by the way. I got distracted. This is Bernard the cookie. And he was very sad because he's going to get...
I felt a bit sudden.
Oh yeah, I thought I was going for that.
What the fuck is going on?
You can get down now.
I love it, everyone's got all the cameras as if they're going to get a zillion viewers for doing that.
Dab!
Oh no, the alpha
Fucking dab me!
You could get a killer with a YouTube channel.
Shaun doesn't care.
Reporting an incident.
Information.
Sure, and how can I help you?
How do I get to Dingle Road?
You want to know how you could get to Dingle Road from Ashchurch to Tewkesbury?
Dingle Road, yeah.
Yes. So what you could do, from Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, you could board the train which depart at 15:24.
Okay.
Going to Cheltenham Spa.
Okay.
From Cheltenham Spa, you take the connecting train to go to Cardiff Central.
Okay.
And from Cardiff Central, you could travel to Dingle Road.
Okay.
Do you want me to... Sorry, yes?
I was just going to say, do you know what time I'll get there?
I'll let you. So, from Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, train depart at 15:24. Arrive Cheltenham Spa at 15:33.
Okay.
From Cheltenham Spa, departing at 16:10, gets into Cardiff Central at 17:24.
Okay.
From Cardiff Central, departing at 17:31.
Okay.
Arrive Dingle Road at 17:41.
Okay, thank you. One last thing. I'm planning on
Yes.
doing some train spotting at Dingle Road, so I was wondering if you could tell me what facilities it has.
What facilities are provided at Dingle Road Station?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, as to what information exactly you would like to know?
So like, does it have toilets or a cafe or?
Well, yes.
Okay.
It has refreshments. You have toilet facilities also, but I will still check. Bear with me. Looking at the station map. Okay, if you look at the station, it's just a hill point and a ramp at Dingle Road. But you want to know if it has cafe
Yeah, just if it's got...
at the station.
Yeah, just a cafe or somewhere to get some food and a drink, sustenance.
Okay, well, it doesn't have toilets. And even for refreshments, I don't think.
It doesn't have toilets or refreshments.
No, at the station.
Okay, it doesn't matter. I won't go there then. It's okay. Thank you anyway. You've been very helpful.
Thank you.
Okay,
Sorry.
bye.
Well, thanks for calling. Bye-bye.
So this is going to Cardiff Central.
Alex, get down. These turbulent.
Hi, babe. This is going to Cardiff Central. 170, 102. We weren't expecting it. You saw it, didn't you?
Yeah, I saw it.
We thought it was sun at first, but
And then we thought it was a metro tram link or something.
that got very lost.
That's come a long way then. How fast can they go? What, 40 kilometres long? That's gonna take. That would have took a long time to get here. Right.
Turbo Star going to Nottingham, I assume. 170, 520, I
This
think.
video is just going to be full of me saying Jesus.
And look, it's Kidsan. Hello, Kidsan.
Kids on!
Kidsan!
Guys, you know, I saw a normal 150.
What's a DRA reminder?
Ashchurch Tewkesbury is quite a nice station. And there's like a castle thing over there. And the view is really, really good. On both sides, there's a level crossing down there. And then that view is really, really good too. Well, it's currently on Edinburgh, I think. There's a footbridge. It's just very, very long, annoying footbridge which just goes round in a circle a bit. So yeah, the services aren't that frequent, and a train stops only like once every 2 hours.
And it's really hot.
It's quite hot, yeah.
But it's fun.
Yeah, having a good time. There's not much around town, so there is a bus link. Tewkesbury itself. There's a map. Tewkesbury Abbey. Park. And a heritage centre and boat trips and stuff. Oh, that's quite cool. The sheep. Oh my god, yeah boy. Bloody meadow. So yeah, this place looks like quite a nice place for like historical people and things. There's a baby! Hit the line, hit the line, hit the line! We missed that one, but there it is. Cross country HST. You can actually feel the bridge shake. Did you feel the bridge
I
shake?
did. That's come through so far.
Ooh, and there's
Oh, that's the
The
1524.
passenger train.
Shall I get this one? No, you get it. You're already holding it. And that's a cockerel.
there is a cockerel, and as we walk down this bridge there,
Speaking of cock, Shaun!
Shaun loves cock.
Shaun! Just wanted to say a name. Just wanted to say a name.
What's the numbers, babe?
It's the same one we got on, I think.
Oh, yeah.
The 158
960.
Yeah. Boy, we were on that.
We were on this earlier.
Getting on this
Jingle Road!
Where have you gone, guys?
Jingle Road! Jingle Road! Jingle Road!
Jingle Road.
This train is...
Oh no!
This train's not actually going to Jingle Road. But it's the 1524 to Brighton. Do you know where this is going? It's going to Weymouth.
I totally knew that.
Probably tell you what the point is for that one. But I will. Why not? Called that Cheltenham Spa, Gloucester, Dursley, Yates, Bristol Parkway, Hilton Abbey Wood, Stapleton Road, Lawrence Hill, Bristol Temple Meads, Canesium, Oldfield Park, Bath Spa, Freshford, Avon Cliff, Bracknell and Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Broome, Bruton, Castle Carey, Yeovilton Mill, Thornford, Yetminster, Chetnall, all three of them by request. Maiden, Newton, Dorchester West, Upway and Weymouth.
So this is... I don't even know where it's going. It's going somewhere. That's a bush, wait. Penzance? Probably Penzance. Off it goes to Cheltenham Spa. That's going really slow. Is it just me or is that going really slow?
Yeah.
I agree though.
What's he got anything to hide?
We're Manchester United and that shit.
It's all history here to see.
Giggity giggity.
You're a bit late.
Oh no.
I'm gonna wave. Hi! Give us a tone, mate. He waved at me!
Did he actually?
Yeah, he waved.
That's cute.
168. Right, next to us is Great Malvern, then Manchester to Bristol.
150 or 153?
150. This is a stopping service. The first stopping train here in like 2 hours. 150, 249. I swear that was an accident. I swear that train was in an accident somewhere.
Probably.
Damn it, Kieran. Got in the way. Hey, John. Hi.
What's that weirdo doing now? Nathan! What? Hi!
Oh, yeah.
Fair Legacy lads! It's Scouse Trainspotters!
Have you finished?
Yeah! I decree that all these people roll! Yeah! Kieran was the only one who remembered.
The only one that fired, well, the train that just fired down there, I've just missed the pass, was 221136.
Facebook Live now! I'm fucking filming you! The fuck you gonna do?
Calm down.
My fucking voice is fucking.
Alright.
Stop swearing, Nathan!
Yeah, Nathan, stop swearing. You didn't call me the president. Antisocial behaviour. I'm afraid I'm going to call
British train band 69 is what you'd say.
What do you think about Bob Ranger and Lucas Sargent?
Bob Ranger and Lucas Sargent.
You gotta shout it!
Shout it!
Bob Ranger and Lucas Sargent are not nice people!
Started to rain.
You made it rain!
Finally, subscribe to British Train Band 69.
That's too quiet.
Subscribe to British Train Banter 69 on YouTube, because we rule, and you'll love us.
Boy!
Thank you, good night. One last thing!
3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you so much for 50 subs.
I knew you was going to say that. I just knew you was going to say that.
Is there anything else anyone wants to shout?
Bastard.
Yes, Shaun is a peasant. I mean,
You little
Dean is a
bastard.
peasant. I don't know. Talk about her.
Katrina.
Yeah.
Oh god, it's
Katrina
really
is
interesting.
the bestest person in the entire world, and I really fucking love her. Very, very much.
Just say that
Go on,
about
give her a little kiss. I know about that.
Dean is a peasant.
Who?
Dean.
Dean?
Dean. He's Dean. He's not Shaun.
Dean is a peasant.
That's no way near load that. What happened to load cherry where the whole of Tewkesbury digging? Come on.
My voice is dead.
Ask if anyone would like to star in the new $0 budget movie.
Does anyone want to star in some movie that me and Shaun are producing?
They have to shout it.
Train.
Shout there's a train coming. Get
There's a train coming!
Indian tech support.
What?
Indian tech support.
Tax form.
Indian tech support.
Indian tax.
Yeah. Hello, this is Indian tech support. How can I help you?
I can't be racist.
I just care. British tech support then.
Hello, this is British Tech Support. Can I help you fix your computer?
Yeah, how do I delete this?
That was a whippy one. Ooh.
A whippy one.
A whippy one. It was a Mr. Whippy. Carry on. I'm gonna get you.
Let's wave to the driver, he will give a tone.
Do you want to wave then and film?
No, you film and I'm waving.
He might not.
Yeah, I recorded this way too early, but there's a train down there. I bet it fucking is.
Anyway, go on, lad.
Did he even wave?
No, I got nothing.
See, I don't know where that's going, but it's going somewhere, and it's a cross-country Voyager. And also, as a side note, can I just point out, we are a really adorable couple.
Hi.
Stop putting stuff up my bum, Katrina.
Nathan, shut up.
Ooh, a butterfly.
There's a
I suppose that's going really slowly.
vomiter. Yeah, let's say it's going quite slow.
Is it stopping?
I don't think so. But then again, I don't know. Yay!
Right, that's something. That's what's paying. It's starting to rain.
I did it, it's my fault.
When 71 was
through
6.
at probably about 75 miles per hour,
When
which
71
just so
was
happens
6.
to be the same amount of speed which James comes in his imaginary girlfriend's vagina.
On a vomiter toilet. When 7117, I think that was.
I'm gonna investigate.
Yeah, Edinburgh.
420-011.
There's an extra track here. We think it goes somewhere where there's lorries and stuff, so...
Yeah, it's quite cool.
And there's a nice view over there.
Where's the bridge shaking?
Because they're working on it.
Oh, tatties. Joke takes that.
We found out where Jimmy Savile hides out.
What the heck happened to that? That's a bit odd.
5249, and it's a train we're getting back to Cheltenham. And yeah, it's been a really good day.
Yeah, with lots of people and dag memes and stuff.
So shout out to Keir and Alex. Hang on a minute. And finally,
Oh, you weirdo. Get off.
Shaun. Shout out to Shaun.
You caught that on camera.
Shout out to Oliver.
Get off.
And shout out to Kieran.
Kid-san.
Kid-san.
Kid-san 14. He's in
Get on,
there.
Kid-san.
And here's our train. Say bye, Kieran.
Bye.
Promote Kieran's
He's
railway
annoying me,
photography
bye.
because I manage that page as well as him.
And this is our train. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye bye from both of us.